This story was written by Mr. Ojeda's class, and it's called Weenie Dogs Having Fun. Once upon a time, Sneak the Weenie Dog lived at the Magic Dog Park.
Hi, I'm Sneak the Weenie Dog. I sneak here and there. Now you see me, now you don't. Ruff, ruff. I live at the Magic Dog Park. I love it here.
Sneak the Weenie Dog quería juguetes porque le encantaba jugar.
I love to play fetch and chase and ball. Ruff, ruff. Is there anyone here to play with? Over here? Over here? No one is here to play with me. I'm so bored. I simply can't tolerate it. What will I do?
Then Rex the Weenie Dog came out of nowhere.
Oof.
Huh? What was that? Whoa! Who is that? I've never seen them before. I'll sneak over and see what's going on.
I'm Rex the Weenie Dog. You know, like a T-Rex. I'm tough. Rawr!
Hi, I'm Sneak the Weenie Dog. I'm the sneakiest dog in the Magic Dog Park. Hey, check it out. You're wearing black Converse.
And you're wearing white Converse.
Twinsies!
Wow, do you want to play?
I would love to play, but alas, I have no toys. I have been so bored.
Not to worry, friend. I have toys aplenty. Like...
squeaky balls, squeaky dog bones, and squishy teddy bears.
Wowee! I've never seen so many awesome toys. And you'll share them with me?
You bet, pal. What are friends for?
Let's play!
And ever since that day, Rex the Weenie Dog shared human treats with Sneak the Weenie Dog.
Whew, that is some good playing. Let's take a break. I have a surprise.
What is it?
Human treats.
And I want to share them with you.
Wow, what are they?
It's my favorite human treat.
Cookie brownie chicken nuggets.
Are you doing both of those voices?
No,
No.
Whatever, dude. Delicious. Rex, I have a question.
What's up, Sneak?
Will you stay here with me in the Magic Dog Park? And maybe we can play every day?
My friend, that sounds great. Let's play.
And so they played every day. The end.